Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can save your documents and spreadsheets from Google Sheets in PDF format really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Google Sheets and access the document or spreadsheet you would like to save. So let me go with that untitled spreadsheet here for the sake of this tutorial. And basically what you will need to do, guys, it is very simple, is click on File here in the top left. And from that menu, hover your mouse over Download here. And here to the right, simply select PDF as your output file format. So let me go with it. After that, you will see a short overview, a summary of your print settings. So you may, for example, print your PDF or your document in PDF format, or simply click on Export here. Before you do that, go through the paper size. If you really plan to print your PDF document, select your page orientation like landscape or portrait, the margins like normal, for example, narrow, wide, and so on and so forth. And once it's done, click on Export here to download the given document as PDF file format on your PC. As you can see, if you use Acrobat Reader, the given PDF document will automatically pop up here. So that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.